Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Jennifer. I'm a brand new member of the DECOCRATED family, which I'm really excited about. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing the Winter 2021 collection. So if you don't want to see the contents of this box, keep scrolling. If you do, stay with me and I will show you everything that is inside. I haven't even seen it yet. I really genuinely wanted to be surprised. So my reaction is going to be me seeing it for the first time. If you'd like to purchase this item or any of the others offered through DECOCRATED, I do have a discount code, and that is Miss DeWalt 15. That will get you $15 off your box. So without further ado, this is the Winter 2021 box. So the first thing that I'm seeing is this cute little envelope. I'm guessing this is probably going to invite me and welcome me to the DECOCRATED family. So within the envelope, there's a booklet, which I'll be looking at here in a minute, but there is a postcard that says Happy Holidays. The other side says Baby It's Cold Outside. So I'm seeing that either in some type of a frame that would be really cute. You could punch a hole in it and use it as like a tag on a gift, or you could decoupage it. And there is Welcome to Wintertime. There's a booklet. There is a highlight of another artist. There is a color palette. I'll have to look through all of this later. Oh, cool. Okay, so here it shows you, if you don't want to know, I just kind of looked at these a little bit and kind of spoiled it for myself. So it does tell you the key pieces that are inside. If you get your box and you don't want to know what's inside, say you want to open it up and look at it, don't look at this. This kind of tells you what's in it. So it kind of gives you an idea of how to style, different ways to use these items in your home. And that's really very helpful because I feel I'm creative, but sometimes when it comes to putting things like on a mantle, I really have to play around with it to come up with the right combination. So if you maybe are lacking a little bit in that way, it really helps you to figure out how to style the things that are in here. Okay, so this is something, I don't know what this is yet. These stickers? Oh, cool. So there are DECOCRATED stickers. Say you don't want to use those stickers, you could use this as a bookmark, or you could use it as whatever else your little heart desires. You could turn it into a magnet. Really, when it comes to imagination, there's no right or wrong answer. So I'm going to put that back in here for now. Okay, so I mean, look at how they put a lot of attention to detail. There's a cute little sticker on the front of this. So far, it really feels like it's all about the experience of opening this box. So the first thing looks to be, is this a table runner? No, this is a pillow. Oh, okay. Oh, this is a pillowcase. Oh, cute. Okay, so the first item, there are two pillowcases. They have like a green holly print on the front, and then the back is this black and white plaid. Is really pretty. They're very high quality. There is a zipper on the side, and they measure about 17¼ by 7. Okay, so 17 by 17. One's 17¼ one's 17. So I'm sure that's what they mean to do. So you actually get two of those. Okay, so next item out of the box. Oh my gosh. Oh, look how cute that wreath is. I genuinely love this. That is just, look how cute. It has a metal hoop, and this measures about, so it's a 12-inch hoop, and it has these really pretty faux pine needles, and I don't know if this is supposed to be eucalyptus, but this greenery, really pretty. It has a snowfall detail on it. So it looks like it was something that was taken straight from the woods during winter time and made into a nice little wreath. That is so pretty. Okay, the next item. This is kind of like my birthday here. If you're somebody that maybe, you know, as moms, I know a lot of times people say, hey, what can I get you? And you're like, no, I don't need anything. I can tell you the feeling of opening this If you're that type of person that does for everybody else, this is almost like it's your birthday. And I can see how this would be a nice way to treat yourself. Or if you don't know what to get for that hard to buy person, this is a gift that you might want to consider because you really do feel special opening each item. So, oh, this is cute. Oh my gosh. And I think this is the back of it and I already like it. Okay, so okay, look at the back. Cute. Ooh. Okay, so look how cute just the back is. It does have sawtooth hangers, but take a gander at that. Now, when I style this, I actually made some trees last year out of extra 2x4s that I had, and I think I'm gonna put them all together, and I think that's really gonna look cute and pick up that tree. But look at the detail. That all looks like they're laser cut. They're just really super cute. This is made out of, the frame is wood, but this backing here that the trees are cut from is like a thick MDF board. And the sawtooth hangers are here, or I'd imagine if you don't want to hang them on nails or screws, you could probably do double-sided tape and stick it to something. And the span, let me tell you the size of this. So this is 16 by 12. And then the sawtooth hangers from center to center are about 13 and a half. So, okay, so that's item number 2. Looks like a squirrel. Look at this cute little polar bear. The detail is kind of like a decal. So these animals measure about, this little bear is about 3 inches high. The squirrel is about 4 inches high. And then this is a fox. Some of the designs almost look like a Ukrainian egg type pattern. Very delicate, very pretty. Okay, so we have the 3 little animals. And then it looks like there's one more item. And because I looked at that booklet, not knowing that that had everything in it, which why wouldn't it? I don't know why I wasn't smart enough to realize that. I would have been completely surprised. But this last item, I can see what it is, but I'll wait to open it so you know. So the very last item in the DECOCRATED Winter 2021 box is this wooden tray. It has metalware here that's attached. It's pretty sturdy, but it is in an oval, and it measures about 15 1/4 by about 10 1/2. The first area I'm going to stage is in the foyer of my home. As you can see, there's a hall tree behind me. It's just a blank slate. I'm going to pull a few of the pieces from the Winter 2021 collection. So the first thing I'm going to do is place a garland that I already have and a brand new string of lights on top. The next thing I'm going to add is something from my own collection. It's just this big red tote. It's not meant for Christmas, but in this element, it would look really great. So I'm just going to set this up here to give it some height. The next piece I'm going to pull in are these really cute Christmas trees. That looks really cute with that garland. As you can see, the lights actually shine through the back of the trees. I really like that. If I had another one, I might hack that and use that concept. But for now, I'm just going to leave it like this. So as you can see, the garland is wrapped around, adding a little bit of light. The next pieces I'll be adding are the pillows. They look great either way, but I really want this to have pops of red and green. So I went ahead and put the standard size pillows that are meant to go in them. However, being that this is a hall tree, if you wanted to, you could actually put flatter cushions in here and make it more of a seating. And also I have a pillow of my own. The last piece I'll be adding here is this wreath. Now there is a place where you can put that around a hook or some kind of a nail in the wall. I'm going to actually be setting this on these hooks on the hall tree, and it's going to be supported here. So that being said, I want to add my own little bow that I made at the top because I felt like it needed something. Okay, and then I'm going to take this and set it right here in the center. If you still want to keep going and do a couple other things, the little woodland animals would be really cute up here. So I'll go ahead and add those. And I have a battery operated candle. In the upcoming years, I will probably take these same pieces and rework them in different areas. That way they look fresh and they look new every year. Okay, this is my sunroom. I'm going to be decorating this mantle here. This is going to be the inspiration. I've already hung up this Christmas tree that I made out of leftover window casing and also hardware that I painted. That's really cute. If you'd like to see that, I do have that on a TikTok. I'm gonna go ahead and add that garland that I used on the hall tree. That's just loosely put up there. All right, so being that this is my focal point, I want to go ahead and add this. Now, if you have pets like I do, I have 2 cats that just love to climb up there. I think what I'm going to do is either add double-sided tape or I might do Velcro on the bottom just to keep that from getting knocked down. But for video purposes, I'm just going to set that up there. Now I'm going to begin layering other pieces that I have. I have a bunch of Christmas trees that are shaped very similar to the ones in the DECOCRATED box. I have 2 more that I'm going to put on that side. I have a whole bunch of little trees that I made out of window casing and trim board, and I will be dispersing those. And then I have several large ones too that I think I'm going to be adding along the floor. Maybe for this video though, I'll just do one. So last but not least, I am going to use the pillows on this chair. It's a little out of frame, but they do go nice with this chair. And now you don't have to have both of the green ones facing forward. You could do like one green and one plaid one. I think that's what I'll do here. This is just an example how one key piece can inspire a whole area. I pulled in all of these Christmas trees that last year I used in separate locations, but being that I'm going with a Christmas tree motif, they all work together. So the last area I'm going to be staging is in my kitchen. I'm going to be pulling the tray and the woodland animals and doing sort of like a cooking vibe. I just wanted to show that these animals don't have to be for Christmas. They're pretty much evergreen. They can be used all year long. So I have this little jar that I'm putting animal crackers in. Okay, so I'm just going to set that jar there. I'm picking up like a tea and cookie vibe. I do have a jar of honey I plan on using. Okay, so there's tea. Maybe this guy down here. And I think that looks really sweet. No pun intended. That is an example how you could use these little animals in an unexpected way and not just for Christmas. If you have any questions, please drop them for me in the comments. I hope you've enjoyed this video. This really, I have to say, and I'm not lying and making this up, that really was fun to open it. That would make an awesome gift for yourself or for somebody else. Remember, my discount code is MissDeWalt15. That will save you $15 off of your DECOCRATED box. So I thank you so much for watching, and until next time, take care.